Hey Northwest, I'm Riley and this is your Northwest Minute. Northwest Rankin Show Choirs kicked off competition season last weekend at Herff Jones. The Ambassadors Northwest Rankin's Mixed Gender Choir placed second in the large mixed division and third overall. The Allure Northwest All-Girl Choir won the single gender division and placed fourth overall. And the Ambitions Northwest All-Boy Choir and the first male-only group in the state placed second in the single gender competition. Richard Sullivan was also the tenor-bass solo competition champion. The choirs are back at it this weekend at Jackson Academy. The middle school choir will compete Friday night and the high school choirs will compete Saturday. The Cougar bowling teams punched their tickets to the state match last Friday as the boys won the regional championships and the girls finished in second place. They will play for the title this Friday at Fannin Lanes. If you see any of these players this week, tell them congrats and good luck as they head into the state championship on Friday. Cougar basketball closes out the regular season Friday night as they host Ridgeland. The teams will honor their seniors between games as well. Come out and help these teams cap off the regular season with a win. Next Monday, Herff Jones will be here to meet with the junior classes about all things graduation 2025. Be sure you're here that day to find out what they have to offer and what you need to do to start preparing for graduation next year. The Northwest Minute is news for the student by the student. I'm Riley and thanks for watching.